Hi, I'm Jen, and this year at COGS 2 I'll be showing you a quick-paced card game called High Society. High Society is a game involving bidding where we are the richest of the rich and we are bidding on cards that bring us the luxuries of life and also points. Cards like champagne, haute cuisine, and perfume. And because we're rich, we are also bidding to avoid the negatives in life that would take our points away, like faux pas or scandal. When our rounds of bidding are done, the first thing we do is add up all our money, and whoever has the least amount of money, regardless of the amount of points that they have, is automatically out of the game. Because when you're the poorest of the rich, you're just poor. There are 8 different opportunities for you to sign up to play this game. 5 people can play at a time. Those who sign up beforehand will receive a treat while we play. I look forward to seeing you at COGS and playing games with you. Come see me at Miss Jenny's table. Thank you.